In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove product from a collection on Shopify. To get started, sign in to your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. From here, you will use the menu on the left to find the area where collections are managed. Click on Products and then select Collections. This is where Shopify lists all of the collections in your store, including any automated or manually curated groups of products. Next, find the collection you want to update and click directly on the collection name. That will open the collection details page, where you can edit which products appear inside it. Take a moment to confirm you opened the correct collection, especially if you have several with similar names, because changes here will affect what customers see in that collection on your online store. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Products. This area shows the current products that belong to the collection. If the collection contains many items, scroll carefully and look through the list until you locate the specific product you want to remove. It helps to go slowly and double-check the product title so you do not remove the wrong item. Once you find the product, remove it using one of Shopify's available options. You can click the small X icon next to the product to remove it right away. In some versions of the interface, you can also select the checkbox next to the product first, and then choose the option that says Remove from Collection. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever one you see on your screen and feel most comfortable with. After you remove the product, look back at the list to make sure the item is no longer shown in the Products section. This quick review helps confirm the change before you finalize it. Finally, click Save to apply your update. If you navigate away without saving, Shopify may not keep your changes. Once the save finishes, the product will no longer appear in that collection. And that is all there is to it.